Kourtney Kardashian and her new husband Travis Barker have reportedly been spotted taking a commercial flight, following backlash over the former sister's use of private jets. Her sisters Kim Kardashian and Kylie Jenner have received widespread criticism in recent times due to their carbon footprint. Kylie, 24, was branded a climate criminal last month after she took a 12-minute flight on her $58 million Bombardier Global 7500 jet, dubbed Kylie Air. And according to Celebrity Jets on Twitter, the mom of two flew from Palm Springs to Van Nuys in Los Angeles, which is close to her Hidden Hills mansion. Followers were enraged further after learning she drove 26 miles in the opposite direction to her final destination just to get to the jet, when the journey by car would have only been 30 miles anyway. Kourtney, meanwhile, chose not to follow in Kylie's footsteps by flying from Los Angeles LAX to Spokane, Washington, according to TMZ. Also seen on board the Alaska Air flight were Kourtney's daughter Penelope, whom she shares with ex Scott Disick, and her niece North, reports the same outlet. Kim and Kylie's actions have come under intense scrutiny from marketing firm Yard, according to The Independent, who calculated that the pair both fall in the 20 worst celebrity CO2 offenders. Yard's report added that between the pair they have contributed 3,364 tons of CO2 emissions in their private jet usage in 2022 so far, an incredible 482. 37 times more than the average person's annual emissions. Last week, meanwhile, Kourtney delighted fans by sharing some unseen photographs from her wedding day. The mother of three took to Instagram to mark her grandmother's 88th birthday by posting snaps from her legal ceremony with Travis. Kourtney was joined by her beloved grandma, MJ, on the special day as she had been one of the two witnesses at their courthouse wedding in California. Blink-182 drummer Travis' father had also joined the happy couple for the intimate Santa Barbara ceremony back in May. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@mirror.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.